Welcome to Keep It Simple Screen Printer. This is part 2 of our how to coat a screen. Today we're going to be using the vastex wall mount screen holder. It has an adjustable top brace, so you can hold a 22 by 31 all the way down to a 20 by 24. The bottom is spring loaded, so we can push down, back, let it come up, rest securely, our frame is securely held. An advantage of using a wall mount scoop coater is that we're able to use both hands while coating the screen. Here, I have my fingers under the guide. I want to keep my fingers under the guide because if my fingers are up here, it's a matter of time until I'll drag a nail mark up through my coated screen. So that's what the finger guard is for. Keep your fingers under it. Both thumbs are back here along the thumb guide. And now I can much more precisely control my angle and my pressure that I'm applying to the screen. So we'll come forward. We'll get centered on the screen. We're about a ½ inch to an inch up from the bottom of the screen. We tilt forward, we wait until the emulsion runs to both sides. When it's reached both sides, I can then pressure, get near the top, tilt back, wait for the emulsion to run in. Once it's run in, a light scrape coat. I can come back down, get centered, tilt forward, black edges are sealed, wait till the emulsion runs to both edges. Get near the top, tilt back, wait for the emulsion to run in, and a little scrape coat. Has a handy little scoop coater guide up here. It is also adjustable. You can lower it down. If all you're doing is 2 by 24 screens, I could sit that right here, be right at head height. We will flip our screen over. Pressure on the bottom, it is spring loaded, it'll go back. We want to make certain that the frame goes all the way back, because if not, when we start coating, the frame will jump. We'll push that back, come back, get our scoop coater, fingers under the front guide, thumb centered along the back. We'll get centered in the middle of the frame, about a ½ inch to an inch up. Tilt forward, black edges are pressed smoothly, pressure is on my fingertips. Wait till the emulsion runs to both sides. Firm pressure, I want to hear the whistle. And tilt back. And we have very quickly and uniformly coated a 110 frame. Thanks for watching.